Apple iPhones are among the most popular smartphones in the world, with nearly 50% of the US population using them. To keep these devices up to date, Apple releases new iOS versions annually, with the upcoming iOS 17 expected to be announced at the Worldwide Developers Conference in June 2023. In this video, we'll discuss about all those iPhone variants that will get the iOS 17 update. Before the iOS 17 goes live for all users, it will be made available to the iOS beta program community for the testing. However, users should note that beta versions of iOS can be unstable and contain bugs and glitches since they are still in the testing phase. After final fixes, Apple rolls out the new iOS to the public. This list includes the upcoming iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Mini, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone SE 2022 and iPhone SE 2020. Sadly, there are some older iPhone models such as the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone X that may not receive the iOS 17 update. This is because they have the older chipsets that is not capable of running the latest iOS version. This leaves them susceptible to hacking as the security features can get compromised. The iOS 17 update is expected to introduce various fresh features to your iPhone. Although Apple has not officially revealed any details about them, some of the possible new additions are next-generation CarPlay with support for multiple displays, widgets and integration. The latest iPhones that are expected to be released in September 2023 will come equipped with iOS 17 out of the box. As always, Apple is expected to prioritize user experience and make sure that everything works seamlessly.